expanded our design metrics from asking questions like, how can we improve this? Or what does our buyers look for in a home? To what makes a home truly worth living? And Bloom Residences in Parañaque, among others, to experience the kind of communities that we build. Each of these shows what we mean when we say nature is not just a design theme, it's a way of life.
It's about ensuring that the communities we build today will continue to thrive for generations to come. We take this responsibility seriously. Every decision we make, every structure we design, every community we develop must stand as a promise to the
more connection. We respond. These communities are more than just homes. They are sanctuaries, built with care, for wellness, for comfort, for a life in harmony with nature. Here, life isn't just sustainable, it's alive, where open spaces, walkable paths, and gardens become part of daily living.
Projects, a step that will help reduce common area power use by up to 35%, equivalent to preventing over 250 metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions. Is designed as modern presentation. Let's all give them a well-deserved
Morning, Moa signing with one mentions.
Again, good morning everyone. We will be harnessing the power